Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Mega love shoutout. Good morning. 5 viewers, mega love shoutout. Good morning. 5 viewers, mega love shoutout. Good morning. Happy Friday morning, guys. Yeah. It's TGIF. Thanks God, it's Sabado. Friday. I want to visit you. What country are you from? Oh, from the Philippines. I'm from the Philippine Majes. I'm from the Philippines. When do you get up? Hmm? I'm not doing cleaning our house. I'm already this is already 9:30 in the morning. Hello everyone. Mega love shout out. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Mega love shout out 7 viewers. Mega love shout out. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Mega love shout out. Seven viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning. I'm already get up. Do you have a hotel? Will be allowed to stop? How much does it cost? It's ocean far away. I'm from Moscow. Ah, there's a lot of hotel here in Manila. My house in Manila to our house almost 3 hours. But in Manila, there's many hotel there. Majes 13. There's a lot of there's a lot of hotel in Manila, Philippines. Yes, there's a lot of hotels there. You can choose. Yes, Manila. Yes, in Manila, Philippines. Yes, there's a lot of hotel there. What is your name? My name is Jovelyn Dawinan Zoria. There that's my account also. If you please like our live also, and if you know there, visit our channel. Visit my channel. Yan. 5 viewers, mega love shout out. No, contact. There's a lot of contact there in Manila. Yeah, if you want to what do you call this? If you want to see hotel in Manila, there's a contact there, and search hotel in Manila in Google. Please like our live, guys. Thank you so much. 5 viewers. Mega love shout out. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Mega